Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Smelina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and dolls. But today we're gonna do a doll unboxing and I've been wanting this one. This is a different collection. I'll give you a hint, she's from Rainbow High. Rainbow High, let your true colors shine. But I'm not gonna tell you which one just yet. But before I tell you which doll we're gonna unbox today, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you guys already fell in love with my personality, you can follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's do a Rainbow High doll unboxing. The moment of truth. Let me tell you which doll we're gonna unbox from Rainbow High. Today, we're unboxing from the line Slumber Party. I don't even know why I'm bothering. You guys saw the thumbnail. We're unboxing Marissa Golding, the middle one. Look at her. She is so pretty, so cute. There she is, Marissa Golding from the Slumber Party Rainbow High. Let me read you the back of the box. It says, meet the leaders of the super secret sleepover society at Rainbow High. They're all about spa days, gossip, and total relaxation. Sounds like a fun time for me. I would join that club, society, whatever. But yeah, today we're unboxing Marissa. Oh my god, you guys, before you guys say anything, here in the back, I might have Brianna Dolce, and she is very wanted. This doll right here in the back. I don't know if I'm gonna unbox her. I might show it to you guys later on, but this one is worth money, you guys. She is worth money. She's like probably the rarest doll other than Lily Chang, and she's not like, I guess she's in demand and they don't really make her anymore. I know they make the other ones, they're more readily available, but Brianna Dolce has gotten so popular and people that have her are lucky. Some of them let them go, but this one I've seen go for $200 something. I'm not gonna say how much I got it for just yet, but Brianna Dolce is very costly. Now, Marissa, on the other hand, you could get her on Amazon for $60, but I got her on a good deal on Facebook Market. I got it for $35, so you can see why. She has the whole, it almost looks like Champion, I'm not gonna lie to you, the Champion outfit, but it says Rainbow. I see Rainbow High. You guys are not slick. You guys kind of like mimic other brands, which is fine because we love it, but be careful, don't get another lawsuit. The tea, honey. And yeah, look at Marissa. This kind of reminds me of Versace too, her little sleeping bag with the whole leopard and all that. But yeah, anyways, this is Marissa Golding, and we're gonna unbox her. Enough of the suspense buildup, you guys. And I do have a special project that I want to do with Marissa. You guys are gonna see hopefully on the next video. I'm gonna drop it in Christmas. Yeah, so can't wait for that. So that's why I'm unboxing her a few days before Christmas, and then on Christmas Day I'm gonna release the little special project for you guys, so keep out for that video. Anyways, let's unbox her. So you know the drill. I kind of don't want to unbox her because the box is so pretty, but fuck it, let's do it. YOLO. I don't even need scissors. On the sides too. Oh, and she's a photography major. Focus or whatever. I said major. Okay, there. Right here. We got the stands like they all do. The doll's in the middle. Oh my god, I'm scared to see her. I'm scared to see her, you guys, because a lot of people say like their eyebrows are messed up or their eyes are messed up. So as y'all can see, the eyeliner looks so good and the eyebrows match. Let's see her lips. Okay, I got it. She had like a little piece of like lipstick right there. Her little, like a little particle of the lipstick, but I took it off. But she's perfect. The face is perfect. I literally don't see any flaws. If y'all see anything that's not in place, let me know. There. You guys can check for me. Oh my god, her whole outfit is sickening. We got the whole sparkle, which would be like it reminds me so much of kind of reminds me of a fighter outfit, like a boxing outfit, and then it says rainbow. I think it's supposed to be like a mix of champion, what they're going for. And yeah, it looks like the brand, or this actually looks like the boxing brand too. Oh my god, they're ripping off everyone. With a mix of Versace. Look at her little scrunchie in the top, you guys. Oh my god, her little headband says rainbow. The little sparkle, I can't think of the brand, you guys. There's a brand that's like red and it'll come to me, hopefully. The slippers are so cute. They're little kitties, I guess. Oh my god, and they even have studs for the eyes. Are you shitting me with the detailing? They're so cute. And the R's look like the champion C. Like, come on, you guys. Are they kidding me? Her hair is so crunchy, though. Definitely cinnamon roll crunches right there. Like, oh my god, Rainbow High. You always do it. Since it's the Slumber Party line, it comes with a sleeping bag. It has a YouTube logo because it's a YouTube animated series. But you guys, the chains, the print. Oh, and they mixed it up with, I guess, LV. Doesn't this remind you of Louis Vuitton slash Versace? These definitely look like Adidas, but they're Rainbow High Adidas. Doesn't this look like a champion outfit? Come on now, Rainbow High. And this is the rainbow little tracksuit that reminds us all of, you know what other brand. We're releasing the shoes. Gonna release the knee. I didn't cut this. Okay, so she's released from there. Oh my god. She's so cute, you guys. Okay. Let me not cut her crunchy hair. She still has a few. And she's free. So I don't know what the purpose of the gel is, but she's here. She's so cute. Okay, you guys, so here's Miss Thing. Here's Miss Marissa. Crunchy hair and all. She's kind of making me want to go blonde, you guys. Should I add some blonde in my hair? But she is so pretty. She's so stunning other than these cinnamon roll things. Yeah, we're going to have to do something with the hair. Look at the back. The back says sparkle. It's totally that brand that I'm thinking of. Look at her little cute scrunchie, her little sleeping mask, and the whole outfit is cute. She does come with a stand. I'm not gonna assemble it because I feel like it gets very repetitive in every unboxing, but yeah, this is Marissa Golding. She's part of the Slumber Party Rainbow High. She's definitely a doll to be reckoned with, to be don't mess with her. She gives me those preppy like vibes, not preppy vibes, those like kind of like Mean Girl vibes. So yeah, and in the series they're so cute, and yeah, you just have to watch this show. But like I said, I'm gonna have a special project with Marissa Golding, and stay tuned for that, you guys. Let me show off the doll for the last time before I end this video. She comes with some beautiful honey eyes, and then the makeup. I love the lip color. It's like a bronzy lip. And then the eyeshadow, definitely some sparkle, some gold glitter with the neutral eye, very neutral colors in her eyes, and then the brows. Do you guys like Marissa? Leave her down in the comments. You guys have Marissa. If you have Marissa Golding, show me some restyles, some tips of how I can make her pretty. But I got a special project on the way. You guys are gonna be shocked, blown away with what I'm gonna do with this doll. I can't wait to show you guys. That video will drop on Christmas, so be ready, you guys. I literally have to work on this project after I finish this video and edit it. But yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. I'm Melina, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye, guys.